Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to the song Nayan by Dhwani Bhanushali and Jubin Nautiyal. The lyrics are by Manoj Muntasir. Music is by Lijo George and DJ Chetas. So I don't know whether this video is going to get blocked or not because previous whatever TCG's video I have reacted to, especially of Divya Khosla Kumar, it always get blocked. So this is my last time trying to react to anything from TCG's music videos. So let's see. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that this video doesn't get blocked. Here is my reaction to the song Nayan. In 3, 2, 1, go.
फ्रेशर्स वीकेंड की पूल पार्टी पे एंट्री चाहिए तो रैगिंग एग्जाम में पास होना होगा। ओह बेचारे फ्रेशर्स सब चिकन्स की तरह पीले पीले पड़ गए। यो चश्मिश फ्रेशर फर्स्ट डे ऑफ कॉलेज हॉट सीनियर से प्यार हो गया, अब बस उसे पटाना बाकी है। कम ऑन शो अस हाउ इट्स डन। शू स्पैम।
She's so tacky though. This girl, I already hate her. Thought she's looking cute. Oh, look at costume. Okay. I like the dance steps. This bitch.
Hey fresher, you chocolate fresher, all this Joya Che stuff मतलब क्या है?
आंखों को बंद कर जब तुमको देखा, जो तुम हो उससे भी प्यारा देखा।
कैसे तुमको ये बताएं, कैसे तुमको ये समझाएं, दर्द दिल का हाल क्या है, कैसे तुमको ये बतलाएं, कैसे तुमको ये बताएं, कैसे तुमको ये समझाएं, दर्द दिल का हाल क्या है, कैसे तुमको ये बतलाएं।
This song is really nice.
फ्रेशर जब चांस मिलता है ऐसे पकड़ लेती हो. डू यू लाइक मी?
एक्चुअली यस.
Good. Because I think you're really, really cute.
Because the bitches are staring. I'll do too. We'll stay the rest of our nights together. The song is really cute, and I love Dhwani and Jubin's vocals. I think they mesh up really beautifully, really nicely. What am I saying? So they like the fusion of those two vocals coming together is really nice, and I really love the song. The song is a mix of a lot of genres. We can hear a little bit of melody, we can hear a lot of classical music. At the same time, we can hear some fresh poppy beats as well. I really love the gel of these songs. As far as the music video is concerned, definitely better than all the Divya Khosla Kumar videos. Not the first Dhwani Bhanushali song, that with Siddhant, I think, yeah, Siddhant, whatever his full name is. That video was totally baseless. But this video, like, it's cute. It's cute. It's very cheesy, it's corny, and it's very predictable. And we have seen this in so many rom-coms and school dramas and teenage dramas before, and teenage movies as well. But it's still cute. I think it's still good. It's still nice to see, watch. And Dhwani Bhanushali looks very cute in all the dresses she was wearing, and overall the music video was cute. But the song was definitely what stood out for me. I really love the song. I love that small choreography they did. This one, I liked it. So I want to definitely listen to this song more. So yeah, that's it. I love the song. It was very nice. I liked it. So guys, that's my reaction to this particular song. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, then please put a thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts and suggestions. Let me know what you thought about this music video, what you thought about my reaction, what you thought about this song. What was your favorite part about this whole video and the song? Please subscribe, like, share, and share the love. Until then, ciao.